Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In this week's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to get a scoring cut with a track saw that doesn't offer the facility. It's coming up next. You know, some folks might tell you that doing a scoring cut with a track saw isn't necessary, and they may well be right, but sometimes I just like to do one, especially when I'm cross-cutting plywood or a veneered board. It's just nice to be able to sever those fibres before you do the full pass. But it's a bit of a headache with Festool's TS55 because it doesn't provide a scoring cut facility. Now you could just reset the depth gauge to something shallower and then put it back again, but the simple way that I do it is to set your depth as normal, put your hand on the front of the saw, plunge until it hits your wrist at the right sort of depth, then make your cut. And then with the scoring cut done, you can do the full pass. So there you go, quick and easy scoring cut from a saw that was never designed for it. That's it for this week's quick tip. I hope you find it useful. Hope you find it interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.